The crack was ground out, feathered out, and you'll notice that the fiberglass on the end has no resin in it. I'm only worried about the actual hole, and I go just a little bit above where I'm actually doing the repair, and I'll grind that back down to the gel coat, and then I'll level this low spot out and then gel coat that as well. And after it's sanded, it'll look similar to that repair on that crack. Let me walk around the vessel here, and then I'll put a little more glass on this one and on this portion here because it's slightly lower here and here, and then I'll grind it smooth. Now this has some pigment epoxy on top of it just to cover the small amount of fairing that I did. There's still a little bit of fairing that needs to be done here and there. Get that all nice and smooth, and then we're going to gel coat this one. Same process will be done there. It'll be ground down, and then it'll get gel coat back on it. And this is a lot stronger than it was. So the next thing to do is get the gel coat on this one, and then we'll be getting the rub rail and going all the way around it with the rub rail. And I've got a, okay, stay tuned. So here it is sanded down, ready for fairing. Found a few more little drilled holes there and there on the other side, and I'm gonna fill them in, make them right. Somebody's doing some cutting over there that's letting off some dust out of their vacuum. So anyway, back to what I'm doing. I gave the whole top deck a light sanding to allow a new gel coat to go on here, because before I put the rub rails on, we're going to dress the sides of the vessel, and there will be some more sanding on this part back here because this is thin. Where was that spot? I found one a while ago earlier. I know I heard it. Right there. I can feel a soft spot. I'll reinforce that. And then we'll get back here on the back. We'll dress this up, grind all these rivets out, and get everything ready to go back together. It's not a quick process now, but we're working on it. Well, we have reached a point on the board now. Moving right along.